You work. You hustle. You try to save, but somehow you're always broke. The bills come. The balance drops. And no matter what you do, you just can't get ahead. Why? Today, we're going to talk about the real reasons you stay broke and how to finally fix it. No fluff. No shame. Just truth. Let's break the cycle. Reason number 1. You don't know where your money goes. If I asked you how much you spent last week, could you tell me? Most people can't. Money leaks through food apps, gas, late-night impulse buys, and forgotten subscriptions. Fix this. Start tracking every dollar for 7 days. Use a notebook. Use an app. Doesn't matter. Awareness is the first step to control. Reason number 2. You treat being broke like a temporary fluke. You think, next month will be better. I'll catch up eventually. But if nothing changes, nothing changes. Fix this. Face the truth. Create a survival budget that fits your actual income, not your fantasy one. Start living like you're broke until you're not. Reason number 3, you're stuck in emotional spending loop stress, boredom, shame. You feel bad, so you buy something to feel better. Then the guilt hits, and the cycle continues. Fix this. Build a reset habit. Instead of spending, go for a walk. Call a friend. Journal. Train your brain to find comfort without your card. Reason number 4, you avoid the hard conversations you don't want to talk about money with your partner, your parents, even yourself, so the debt piles up. The bills get skipped, and the anxiety grows. Fix this. Set a 15-minute money check-in once a week. No blaming, no freaking out, just facts and forward movement. Reason number 5, you think more money will fix everything if you just had a raise or a better job, then things would be okay, right? Maybe. But if your habits don't change, your income doesn't matter. Fix this. Treat every dollar like a tool. Even if it's just $10, small habits compound. Every win matters. Reason number 6, you're trying to look rich while feeling poor. You buy what your friends have. Wear what influencers push. Drive what you can't afford. But image won't save you when rent's late. Fix this. Define your own success. It's not about flexing. It's about freedom. Reason number 7, you're afraid to start small. You think saving $5 isn't worth it, or that budgeting means giving up joy. So you do nothing and stay stuck. Fix this. Start tiny. Save $5 a week. Pay $10 toward debt. Cancel one expense. Progress beats perfection every time. You're not broke because you're broken. You're broke because you're in a system and maybe some habits that aren't working for you. But the moment you start facing it, you win. Little by little. Drop A in the comments if you're ready to reset. And if this hit you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. You're not stuck. You're just starting. Let's fix this together. Subscribe for weekly financial wake-up calls made for real people, not fake gurus.